So, good morning, students. Once again, I'm Praveen welcoming you in the session of computer. And we are doing our chapter number 4, which is about more about Access 2010. So in previous session, we have seen how we can generate query and how we can create query on a multiple table or multiple queries. We have seen and or conditions also. So now it's time to understand the next module, or you can say next object of our Access, which is forms. I hope you are familiar with forms because you are using forms everywhere in your daily life. If you are accessing social media networking sites or any other online tutorial sites, so it will ask you some kind of general details such as first name, last name, in which it provide a kind of input box in which you type your name, in which you type your password. So this is nothing but a form. Okay. So how we can create a form in MS Access or in a database management system, now we will see it. So it is a very interesting topic, and please student mark my point and please do concentrated and motivated. So now we will understand forms. Access provides an easy and organized way to enter data in individual or multiple tables using forms. That means we can organize data in tables, we have seen it, but we can also convert it into a forms method. These are the database objects which help not only to enter the data in tables, but also to search or modify the data values stored in the table. That means, students, if we are going to create forms, so it will just whatever the data entries we are entering into forms, it will create a separate table on the basis of that data entries. Okay, supposingly you are entering name, password, date of birth in the form, and then on the basis of your data entry, it will create a particular form. So how you can create a form? You have to select the table or a query whose form is to be created. First of all, you need to create a table. Mark my point. You need to create a table. Then if you want to insert data elements of that table using forms, so that you will create a form. Okay, आपको एक टेबल बनानी है. अब मान लीजिए आपने उसके अंदर 10 एंट्रीज कर रखी है. अब आपको उसको 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 या so on जितनी भी एंट्रीज करानी है वो आपको फॉर्म्स के थ्रू करानी है. Then you have to create a form from the navigation pane. You will find forms in the create tab, where you will find in create tab in forms group, and then you have to click on this form as you can see on your screen or in your book. In step 3, click on view. Here is the view. In the design tab and choose form view option. The form view open. The form view can be used to add new records or add existing ones. That means if you want to edit or update existing tables details, so you can also do it. Or if you want to insert some more details, so you can also insert it from that form view. Okay. So here is the view option. Here you will find form view. And now you can just select it. Okay, so here if you want to create one more, then you have to click on this plus icon. If you will click on this plus icon, one more row, one more data elements will be entered to your table. Now we will understand navigating records in a form, how you can navigate it, how you can access it, or how you can use it. So navigation refers to moving from one record to another. That means now we are going to move our records. Move our record, that means move our data tuples, or you can say row. So we can use navigation buttons available at the bottom of the form to move from one record to another, or if you are going to search any record, so you can also navigate it. So supposingly this is my table students detail, and I am working on this roll number 3, in which student name is Sangeeta Varman, class 8th A, and date of birth and gender. Supposingly I need to navigate it. That means I need to click on next record. So how you will click on it? Here you will find in the bottom pane record that buttons of previous and after button. If you are going to click on 4th number, 5th number, then you can also just click on this. Or if you want to search it, so you will find that search icon here. So this is how you can create and access the or navigate the forms. Now our last but not least topic is reports. How you can generate a report on the basis of your table. Supposingly you have created a table in your MS Access. On that basis of your table, it will generate a report. That means a kind of list. Okay. So reports are used to display information from the tables or queries in printable form. So if someone will ask you why you generate reports, so your answer will be that tables or queries in a particular printable form. Okay. So how you can create a report? First of all, like previous one, you have to create a simple basic fundamental table or a query. Then you will find the report option in create tab. Once again, if you will click on create, you will find report. If you will click on this report, then in step number 3, to see the printable view of the report, click on view. Here you will find this view option. Here you will find 4 options: report view, print preview, layout view, and design view. So if you will click on this print preview, it will show you the data like this in the list form, in the printable form. And if you are okay with that, then click on OK. And if you are going to print it out, then you have to click on this print option and then save as also. So students, this is how we have completed our chapter number 4, which was about the more about Access 2010. So I hope that you have understood this chapter, and in upcoming session I'm going to show you how you can implement this Access things in practical manner. So please take care of yourself. Bye bye.